What's good, Shin? This is Power from Aux2Stress TV. Welcome back to the channel. Today is another episode of 3-day vlogs. It's episode number 4, and today is March 7th, 2019. It's a beautiful morning. Kakagaling ko lang sa bangko para mag-withdraw. Wala pa pala. If you get what I mean. It's hashtag Sahot Day Problems. Hashtag CWD, bro. So yun, papunta muna tayong Red Winds car wash and cafe. So yun po ang gagawin muna natin, kape para magandang umaga. And if you guys want to go ahead and have a coffee or have some snacks, go ahead and visit this place right here. Suki na ako dito. So magkakape muna tayo ngayon. Kailangan yan tuwing umaga. So ito pa yung lugar. Astig. Maganda. Alrighty guys, so now I'm done having my beautiful coffee and a quick editing on my laptop. Done getting my Bluetooth together. Now it's time to put my bag on. Thank you for the coffee. Appreciate it. So, kakatapos lang po natin magkape sa Red Winds Car Wash and Cafe. Shout out to you guys. Awesome coffee, I just love it. Hopefully pagbalik ko galing Mansi, andyan na po ang ating inaantay sa ATM na. Good morning, Bacolod. Good morning, Philippines. Did you have your coffee? Because if not, go ahead and crack that thing and drink. Drink the whole cup at once, bro. Dito sa kanan ko po, yung nagtutulak dyan ng motor niya ngayon. Yan, wag nyo pong hayaan mangyari yan sa inyo kasi nga po, ang hirap magtulak ng motor kasi pag habang nasa biyahe ka, mahirap yan, bro. Nasa biyahe ka tapos biglang magtutulak, dalawang problema lang yan. Either may problema sa makina or meron tayong issue sa gasolina natin, na. So the best thing for you to avoid that is always make sure that you do go and check on your motorcycle. Kung meron tayong dito yung parang oil issue indicator or something like that, as well as let's make sure na lagi tayong may gasolina. By the way, quick update at the moment, as of 8:31 today, March 7th, I've got a total of 41 subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. And again, that only gives me more reason to go ahead and post more videos to inspire other people to go ahead and have their own vlogs and whatnot they need. Pero yun lang yun, ganun lang po mga kaibigan, no? Hindi po tayo mahihirapan mag-provide ng magagandang videos or content to people who need that, if obviously you've got the support, if you got the motivation. Obviously speaking, this is my dream. I've been liking to do this for a while now, and I want to quit my 9-to-5 job once I get the hang of it. But you always want to go ahead and find that motivation of yours kung bakit mo ginagawa and whatnot. And if you get the hang of it, it's going to be so easy for you to do it. And you just need to go ahead and learn, expand your skills, your editing skills, your shooting skills, everything, man. Yeah, the only thing you have to do is pretty much love it, have the passion for it, bro. Or in general, whatever you freaking do. Ass wiper. Yeah, with that being said, I hope you do enjoy life as much as I do. But yeah, life is all about surprises. Life is about ups and downs. And I'll go ahead and motivate you just a little bit for the day. Kung ano man ang nagpapasaya sa'yo, gawin mo po, okay? Yes, there are abstractions. Yes, there are things that go and hinder you from doing the things that you love. But bro, pag ikaw tumanda at you're on your dying bed, or you're a millionaire, but then you do that because you became a CEO of a company, and you're not happy because that's not your initial happiness or dream that you wanted to do, bro, I can tell you, you won't feel that completeness. You won't be able to have that fulfillment feeling in your life, where you have to go ahead and make sure now you'll be joyful and happy at the same time for the rest of your life, bro. And with that being said, that's what I'm trying to do right now. Oh, damn! Did you hit him? You almost hit him, bro. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate the support. And again, if you want to get a shout out, leave them in the comments down below. And again, thank you so much for watching 3-day vlogs episode number 4. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Baboosh. I'm here to stay.